In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag teammates in Slack. Tagging in Slack is a simple way to make sure the right person sees your message at the right time. When you tag someone, Slack nudges them with a notification and links them straight to your message, so nothing gets lost in a busy channel or thread. This works the same way across direct messages, group chats, channels, canvases, lists, and more. Here's the idea. As you write your message, type the @ symbol, then start typing the person's name. Slack will open a small menu with matching teammates. Pick the correct person from that menu, and their name will appear highlighted in your message. That's it. You can then finish your sentence and send the message as usual. A few tips help this go smoothly. You don't need to type the full name. Just a few letters will bring up suggestions. If several people have similar names, look for the profile picture or job title that appears in the suggestion list to confirm you're tagging the right teammate. If you change your mind before sending, highlight the mention and delete it like regular text. You can also tag multiple people in one message by repeating the same approach. @ symbol, a few letters, select the right person, and keep typing. If you're tagging someone in a channel they're not part of, Slack may let you know and prompt you to add them to that space before they can be notified. That way, your message reaches them where the conversation is happening. In threads, mentions work the same way and help pull someone into a specific discussion without interrupting the main channel. On canvases and lists, mentions behave just like they do in chat. Type the @ symbol, start the name, select the person, and continue writing. The tagged teammate will get a notification with a link back to that canvas or list item so they can jump in quickly. Keep in mind that people have their own notification preferences. If someone has Do Not Disturb turned on or a channel muted, they might see your mention later. That's normal, and it's another reason to keep mentions targeted and helpful. Before you hit send, give your message a quick read to confirm you tagged the right person and provided enough context for them to act. And that's all there is to it. Type the @ symbol, start their name, select them, and send. With that small habit, your messages become clearer, faster, and far more likely to get the right attention in Slack.